Hello everyone, my name is Mariana and I would like to present to you my hackathon project today, which is called Take a Moment. So what the experiment I wanted to perform is I wanted to see if it's possible to build a Chrome extension and learn how to do that while using the tools that I'm familiar with, such as React and Redux. So just to give you a little intro, if you're not sure what a Chrome extension is, it's basically just a zip bundle of files, of HTML, CSS, JavaScript files, images that add functionality to the Chrome browser. I'm sure you've used them before, but maybe you didn't know that you don't really need to have any special knowledge to build one. As long as you know how to use JavaScript and how to create projects using JavaScript, you can build one. So to give you a quick demo of what I built, let's say you are working on a project, you've been sitting for a long time, maybe you're debugging something, maybe you're looking things on Stack Overflow, such as how to apply custom theme in Material UI. And then you're realizing you haven't taken a break for a really long time. So you decide to use this new awesome extension you just installed that has this heart icon to remind you to take a break. When you click on it, you get this simple input field where you can choose the time when to take a break. This is a Material UI time picker component, which looks really nice and allows you to easily choose the time that you want. So let's say I want to take my break at 7 o'clock, so I choose that time and I get a timer that will count down the number of minutes that I have till that time. And each time I open Chrome extension, I will see how much time I have left. Also, if I start browsing other web pages, I will also see a little reminder that pops up here at the top of the page, which is a content script that is injected into each web page that is open in the browser. So now let me tell you a bit more about how I built this. So a basic Chrome extension can have pop-up pages. This is the page that shows up when you click on the icon, and it can also have content scripts that are injected in each web page opened in the window. But the difficulty with that is that those things are not persistent. Each time you open a pop-up, you lose your state and you get a new instance of your app. The part of the extension that is persistent is the background script that runs in the background and that I used to make my app work. So also what really helped is finding this package called react-chrome-redux, which is a set of utilities for building a Redux application in Chrome browser. So the way it works, it allows you to create a Redux store, which will be attached to the background script, and that will keep the state of your app. While the proxy store will live inside of your pop-up script, and there will be a flow of communication between the two. So proxy store will send actions to Redux store, and then Redux store will send updates back to the proxy store. So this is what I did. Inside of my popup.js, which is the window that pops up with the timer, I created a proxy store that is provided by this package, and then I use it exactly in the same way as I would use a regular Redux store inside of the provider tag. And then inside of the event script, which is the background script, I created a Redux store, a regular Redux store, and then wrapped it using wrapStore function provided by the package. So this is what allowed for me to keep my timer persistent even when the pop-up is closed and then opened again. And that was really cool to discover that I can actually build Chrome extensions using Redux In this case, I used React for UI, but this package also works with frameworks like Angular. To learn more, you can go to developer.chrome.com to read more about Google extensions in general. And I wanted to give a shout out to Tyler Shaddix for awesome docs and examples on react-chrome-redux package. To play more with my code, you can go to my GitHub at this URL. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you learned something new today.